Today, I'll show you how to send Jira updates to email. Jira can send email updates automatically when something happens on an issue, such as a new ticket being created, a status change, a comment being added, or an assignee being updated. First, open Jira and log into your account. Go to the project where you want to send email updates. From the left side menu, click Project Settings. Now open Automation. Click Create Rule. The first step is choosing a trigger. This is what starts the email update. For example, choose Issue Transitioned if you want to send an email when a ticket moves from one status to another. You can also choose Issue Created, Comment Added, Field Value Changed, or Issue Assigned. After choosing the trigger, click Save. Next, add a condition if you want to control when the email is sent. For example, you can send an email only when the priority is high, only when the issue type is bug, or only when the status changes to done. Now click New Action, search for Send Email and select it. In the recipient field, choose who should receive the update. You can send it to the reporter, assignee, project role, or a specific email address. Next, write the email subject. For example, Jira update. Issue.key, curious. Issue.summary. Now write the email body. You can include useful details like the issue status, assignee, priority, latest comment, and ticket link. For example, the issue issue.key has been updated. Current status issue.status.name. After writing the email, click Save. Give the rule a clear name, such as Send Email when Jira issue is updated. Turn on the rule. Now test it by updating a ticket in the project. If everything is set correctly, Jira will send the email automatically. And that's it. You now know how to send Jira updates to email. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.